In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting type in an online booking system. This process is straightforward, but it's important to ensure each detail is filled in correctly to make your bookings as efficient and clear as possible. We'll walk through each step, providing tips to enhance both your and your attendees' experience. First, you'll begin at the bookings homepage. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Personal Booking Page. Here, you'll find the option Create Meeting Type. This will be the starting point for setting up your new meeting. Give it a click, and you'll be redirected to a new page where you can enter details specific to the meeting you're setting up. Now, this is your canvas to customize your meeting details. You'll start with a title. Choose something that's descriptive yet concise, giving your attendees a quick overview of what to expect. Next, you'll want to select a tag category. This can help sort and organize your meeting types, making it much easier to find them later, both for you and the participants. Following that, craft a brief description. This is an opportunity to delve into what the meeting will cover, setting clear expectations for anyone who wants to join. If this meeting is held at a specific location, be sure to add that in. This could be a physical address, or if the meeting is held online, you have another option. You can embed a link to a Teams meeting, providing easy access right there in the booking details. This streamlines the process for attendees, eliminating the need for additional emails or messages with virtual meeting links. Next, it's time to set the duration. Decide how long this meeting will last, or set a specific time it starts and ends. This helps manage expectations for the participants regarding the length of commitment they are making. You also get to choose where this meeting type appears. Do you want it publicly visible on your booking page for general bookings? Or is this a more exclusive meeting that only specific people with a booking link can access? Make your selection based on your audience and the meeting's purpose. Finally, after you've filled in all these details and reviewed them for accuracy, you're ready to wrap it up. Simply click Save to complete the process. With that, your meeting type is now set up and ready for bookings. By following these steps, you can ensure that the meeting booking process is seamless and organized, providing a professional front for both you and your participants. Thank you for joining today, and I hope you found this guide helpful in creating your meeting types efficiently.